can I help you, sir?
Actually, we are finding a room.
Yeah, please sit.
Thank you.
Which kind of room do you want, sir? Luxury, simple, normal?
Luxury is better because luxury gives too much comforts.
Okay, what would you like to have, sir? Do you want something tea, coffee, juice?
Juice will be good.
Okay. Wait for a second, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
Sure.
Please bring 3 glasses of juice in the reception.
On the reception.
On reception. Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience. Can I ask what kind of comfort do you want in your rooms?
Actually, we have a luxurious bed, chair, table, and
Okay, we will
heater will also available.
Okay. In which floor do you want your room?
No matter any floor. Any floor will be adjustable.
Okay. Wait for a second.
Okay. No mention.
Is there any room available on the 3rd floor? Luxurious room. Second floor will go, sir?
Yes, second floor will be.
Okay. Which room? Okay, 302. Okay.
If you don't mind, please tell me the all facility which has been on that floor.
You want luxurious room in our hotel? There, you find lots of facilities in your room. You get all kind of facilities in your room.
Okay.
If you want to see your room, and could you come with me to see your room?
Yes, if you tell me money, then I will certify that is the best for me.
50,000 for 2 nights, sir.
Okay.
Just come with me. I want to show you the room. After that, you will decide. You will discuss on it. Okay. Please come with me, sir. This is your bed. This is very fluffy. You can sleep in this very comfortable.
Yes, sir.
And there is also a dining table. You can dine with your friend, with your family here.
Yes, ma'am.
And also there is I will show you. There is also a small kitchen and all ingredients. So you can cook whatever you want if you don't like the food of here. So you could make yourself food. And also there is a small bathroom.
Yes,
And
is there available?
yes, of course there is a time. This is the time of winter, and the geyser is also available. I will show you the geyser. There is a geyser. You can see that, and you can use. And there is a table, and there is a remote. There is a remote, small remote. If you want something, and then you can call.
Yes.
There is also only a one number in this remote. You can contact if you want something. You can contact me.
I forgot to ask you that if on the bathroom time is what is time?
No limit of water. Water is always available. Also there is a window. You can see the view, and also there is below. There is also a pool below the room. You can see easily, and you can also see the sunset or sunlight. If you want to see your moon, you can easily enjoy the view.
That's very
And
true.
also there is you also need, if you want to swim, we have also a swimming pool in our lodge. You can go there, but you have to give a extra payment for this. Sorry for the inconvenience. I didn't tell you. There is also LED TV VR. You can play with your friend in VR. And also there is also a sofa. This is also a sofa come bed. You can also sleep on this couch or sofa.
Yes.
And there is also a couch, soft pillows here, and there is all kinds of facilities, whatever you want, which you want. Okay.
If I talk about room cleaning, then what is the condition of room cleaning?
Yes.
Room is fully furnished, fully clean. If you
If I talk about room cleaning, then every day must be, I think.
yes, sir, you will get your room clean every day.
Because I think that I never live in dirty places.
Okay, sir. I'll make sure your room will not dirty. The sweeper will clean your room. sometime later, and also the sweeper will come in your room in the morning and clean your room and fully furnish. Okay, sir. You don't have to worry about the cleanliness. We have all type of hygiene here, and also there is a menu card besides the remote.
Okay, okay.
If you want something, you can order and you can see. Okay.
Okay.
If I talk about many food facility, then what about the food facility?
There is
Is that on time or after that time?
No, you can order anytime. If you want something, snacks, we will also give you snacks in breakfast, lunch. This kind of facilities are always available in our hotel 24/7. You can order anything, anytime. And there is all kinds of foods, whatever you want. This is a menu card, sir.
Yes.
And in this there is all kinds of foods, whatever you want. In this
non-veg is available or not?
Yes.
Yes, non-veg is also available. There is also Chinese food, Indian,
Okay.
Italian, American.
Is this all are tasty or not tasty?
You can find it, sir, later when you eat. And we have a professional chef here.
Just show me all the
Cold drink.
cold drink is
There is all kinds of whatever you want. There is also Italian cold drink,
Beer.
Indian cold drink, beer, but alcohol is also available in our hotels.
Yes.
I told you, no, there is all kind of facilities. You will find all kinds of facilities there. If I talk about alcohol, there is a page of alcohol. There is a page of alcohol, sir, and all kinds of alcohol is here. You can order whatever you want, and there is a list of juice. You can also order a mocktail, cocktail. There is all kinds of juice available here. And in this page, you can turn this page. You will find the Chinese food. There is Italian. If you want to food your Indian, they will give you a mother-like food here. Okay. If you don't like the taste of our hotel, you can and if you want, so you can make food according to your taste, because we will give you mini kitchen, and we'll provide you a mini kitchen. There is all kinds of ingredients available here. If you don't find something, you can call and ask for them. Okay.
that's it.
You will also find we will also give you Wi-Fi facilities. You can use free access of internet here. You can use TV through the Wi-Fi. You don't have to worry about the Wi-Fi or internet. We will give you all kind of facilities, and also
Is there any park or available or not?
there is no park near the hotel, but there is small garden in the roof of the hotel. You can enjoy the view from there.
If there is available any parking allowed?
Yeah, parking. There is also a parking lot. Parking lot is near the hotel. You can ask to the security guard. He will show you the parking lot. Okay.
If I want to eat something, then how I will connect with you? How can I get the services of your customer?
Sir, there is a table and there is a remote. You can press the button number 2. And if you want something food, you can press the button 2. And if you want to drink, you can press button 1. We will give it to you in just few minutes. Okay. If you want something, there is a remote. You can use your remote anytime. we will always here to help you in any situation, and whatever you want, we will help you. We will here to help you, sir. You are guest.
Yes. Okay.
After filling the form, we will clean your room and we will are you satisfied with your room, sir?
Yes, we are satisfied with your room because yes, I like very much because this is fully furnished and which I want, that is the room available in the
Okay, sir. Let's discuss on about it on this section.
okay, just
Could you help me with your Aadhaar card, sir, please?
yes,
Could you please tell me your name, sir? What's your name, sir?
my name is Nisant Kumar.
Okay, sir. And what's your name, sir?
My name is Ayush Kumar.
Okay, sir. Here is your card. Take your card, please, sir. Can we start the process of payment, sir?
Yeah, why not?
Which mode do you like to pay with, sir?
Cards.
Cards? We have a swiping machine, sir. Can you please give me your card?
Just pay it by my hand.
Okay, sir. Arey. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Welcome to our hotel, sir. When you check out, please give us a feedback on our official website because your feedback will help you a lot in our increasing in our service, sir. That's why your feedback is very important. Don't forget to feedback. Thank you so much, sir.
Give me the keys of our room.
Go to the second reception. You will find you will get your key from here, sir. Show this card to her or him. He will provide your keys.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
That's great.
There is a way to second reception, sir.
Okay.